All right, this video is going to talk a little bit more about discussion question number 7, the model minority myth. So let's jump right in here. So group B, you will be leading our discussion this week. So you will complete the primary post and then also 2 response posts. And everybody was responsible for response posts. So primary and initial post. So your primary initial post. So group B, you're going to answer these 2 questions and you're going to want to expand on these. So what is the model minority myth? So I want to see you provide a definition from the textbook and also describe it in your own words. So what is the definition? And then how do you contextualize it? How do you make sense of it? What does it mean to you? And question number 2, how can it contribute to more hardships for Asian Americans? So this needs to be a pretty significant discussion. There are a lot of ways in which this contributes to hardships. And, in this class, we're focusing on substance use disorders. We're focusing on mental health. We're focusing on people as a whole. So I would just say, you want to speak to those things, but think of these in the broader context as well. So how does this contribute to more hardships for Asian Americans? Be specific and include connections to the required reading. So be sure to look at your course content for this week that's posted to Moodle, look to your chapter in your textbook, and really pull from all of those things and cite those things, use a vocabulary that's appropriate, and really provide a good, solid explanation of this. So then in our response posts, so everybody is going to, again, as you're reading this material, we're really always reflecting on how we are responding to it. And we're going to make some comments. Number 1, we're going to look at what they posted and further explore hardships that may be faced by Asian Americans due to the model minority myth. So read what your classmate wrote in their primary post. What did they miss? This is such a broad, big question that, guess what? Nobody's going to catch all of the ways in which somebody might be impacted by these expectations. So what did they miss? So further explore, describe what they are and explore how that contributes to it. So in this way, this person might also be affected. So look to that. You're also going to want to include citations. Don't forget that. And lastly, did anything from these readings surprise you? Why or why not? And you're answering that question at least twice, right? Because you're responding to at least 2 of your classmates. So be sure when you're answering that question and things that surprised you, why or why not, you might want to differentiate between those 2 posts by talking about, classmate Katie wrote this and I hadn't really thought about that before. And so that surprises me. And classmate John wrote this and this is something that actually doesn't surprise me because of my experience. So that's one way that you can kind of differentiate between answering that same question twice. So that's it. As always, primary posts are due by Wednesday and all response posts are due by Friday. I've got links here to the confidentiality rules as well as the grading criteria if you have questions about that. So I'm really looking forward to this, to your post this week. And yeah, let me know if you have questions. Head on over to that homepage. Thanks, everybody.